Remember, me never trouble you. Remember, say, me never trouble you. Bestie, remember me there, me yard, me there, me work, me there when two pick them. Me not trouble no one. And anytime me come on live or anytime me come talk about nobody, I know me trouble them. Me come answer. Because that is who me is. So if that's my weakness, I will never always use it to my weakness. All when me owl. All when me owl and shrivel up, I will call me name and me I go come on a coach stick, come say, allow na blood clot tell until the death of me. Me a come talk, allow not help her, me go from there. Me don't trouble people. Me want it to be known. Nobody no come tell me say, me big and me this and me that. Every time me come talk about people, it's them trouble me. I answer me answer. Wicked demon lady, sir. Me I go tell you where you eat me. All eating start again. Me I go down in night. Because, hold on. Me just me remember everything I mix up. Me remember this. Hold on. Me never want to talk about this. Let me go up on YouTube. Hold on. Me can't go up on YouTube. Me can't show a video. Meanwhile, me dep on this. Hold on. This video where me I go bring up. I forgot to take it off of this. I never want to call out a lady. My battery dead. I wonder if I plug in this, if the sound I go away. You can't hear me? Tell me if you can't hear me. Alright, them can't hear me. When we go for that song, yeah. So, let me talk about what really pushed this woman over the fence. If you tell me the truth. Now, I want it to be also be very clear. Me and this woman was friends for 10 years. I gave her my all. She have a sister with them call him sister. Anybody who know dance hall know sister with them call him sister. She was a promoter. She keep show right round Jamaica. Every parish in Jamaica, the 14th parish. Sister keep a show. She can't say I like her. The flyers, them, they all about me can't go dig up in. Our sister used me as a young little girl and she put me on every show. When ladies saw no one go on the show, sister put me on the show and she whoop me for free. Yeah, ladies are come talk about. You used to live at me house, dirty bitch. Remember it's me say, from homeless to greatness. Wicked woman. When me did a rent house, me sorry me attack all over the place. Me will go back to that. When me did a rent house, and me I go to Europe and tour, and me supposed to move out our house and go in our next house. Our house not ready yet. You have the big empty house up at Chancery Hall or wherever the place one name. And you say, well, me cannot come pack up your things them in the room downstairs. Because remember your house the big and empty because you couldn't furnish it. You have one big empty house up on the hill there, bed dog. So everybody know how it's there. I never discriminate either, because me hear you talk all kind of things. I go allow you for you go on the discrimination. Me tell myself and me pray before me come on the live. Only thing me ever do a talk truth. So me not come here for discriminate or discriminate. Me come here for talk truth and make my fans them have a knowledge of the hatred where you have for me. That's all me come on the live have to do. So me never go down in the state of your place or me not go down in this. So me go down in the part where every time you come on live you talk about. Remember say you didn't live at me house. Yes. Yes. And how me live at your house, like me say, me and you was friend for 10 years, and you do what you do, and me used to send me money come a foreign, come give you when you not have no money, and when you use out your money and mine. Hey, me love him, me not go call him name. Remember when you broke and me go to Western Union and send me money come give you? It was a friendship. We had a friendship. You cannot sue me. Me take out my money and send go Western Union. I tell me send the girl sister name. Anybody will work a Western Union. If you can't find the history, go look for Grace Hamilton. I think it was 2000. I wish here. I don't want to tell a lie. We come back panic if she come back, come say a lie. Me a blood clot tell. Because I know people work a Western Union. I look fit. Me used to send my money come give you. We was friends. Everything you come and talk about, you used to live in me yard. Yes. And when you come out, when something like it have a couple of millions of views them, and the bad mind stuff in you, and me post the little video after me get to one look it because me did hungry. Oh long and now make no money and me post and say something like it have how much views. You go up on your hill and you talk about this is views. This is views and you chuck off in your pool and you throw word and tell me say me I live in a rent house. I buy houses now. I have news to tell you. I'm not homeless again. Me not homeless again. I say from homeless to greatness. I'm not homeless again. So how you feel? They could talk about it. Because every minute you come remind people say, you used to live on me yard. Used to. Now God bless me for have my own. You're not shame. And I don't have house. I have houses. And thanks be to God. Me not have to bounce about again. Amen to God. Let me tell you something. He's a Christian woman and you claim he's a woman of God. There is not 10 God over our head. There is one God above us. When I go down on my knees and I cry out to my God, it's our God. I have to be blood clot clear and give you some clarity. When I go down on my knees and I cry out to God and I say, God, fight against those who fight against me. And you come and want to fight against me. And I tell God to fight against those who fight against me. Work it out and tell me how it go. When I go down on my knees and I fast and pray and I say, Father God, the battle is not mine. Take the case. Who are you fighting against? Because it's not me, it's out of my hands. I tell God to take it. You know nothing about Christianity. You know anything about God? You don't know, you don't understand, else you wouldn't have such a bitter heart. You don't understand. The same God that you pray to is the same God I am praying to, my dear. There's only one God, and there's one judgment. So when I tell God to take my battles, when I tell God to fight for me, and you come and take and try to fight against me, you have to talk to God. You're not fighting against me. You're fighting with God, the Almighty, because I place it in His hands. You think say you hate me, no lady, sir. You don't hate me. You know when you're going to hate me? When I decide that is my turn to turn my life to God. That is when you're going to really and truly hate me. Because you make up the nice for God, you know. Me hear you make up no nice for God, you know. I mean, no say when me baptized is a different kettle of fish, you know. Because me a come for win soul, and me a come for chant, and me a come for speak, and my people, them have to go repent, and them have to go come with me. If everybody now comes, some have to go come because me have to go visit, and me have to go walk the face of this earth and preach and spread the gospel. Me no see you do not do like that. It's that time you're going to hate me. It's not now. You don't hate me yet. They can hate me now. You don't hate me yet. It's that time you're going to hate me when time you're ready to go in a church. If you think you hate me now when me in a dance hall, at that time you're going to hate me. When I show you how to worship God. When I show you how to sing song for God. When I show you how to speak to people. When I show you what a real Christian should look like. Or when I show you what it should be. At that time you go hate me. You think you hate me yet? Because I go down in night. Because I don't come here to stay too long. We don't know. Missy Elliott, I love you. And I don't want to drag you into this because from the day I went to your birthday party, you never stop invited me to all of your birthday parties after that year. I am proud to say that I am one of the persons or the only persons who has been to Missy Elliott's birthday party every single year. I get an invitation and I apologize in advance that I had to even call your name because you are such a beautiful, humble soul. But let me go down in it again. In 2015, this is because I got invited. Before I got invited to the party, I had a song when named Fun. I don't know who want to follow out my career. I had a song when named Fun. And I had a friend named Stacy and she knew Mona Scott. And me I go look for the song on YouTube now. Hold on. Fun. Spice. Alright, see it here. Song that even get for clear. See this song, yeah? The reason why I'm wanting to listen to this song is because apparently Lady Saw had sent a song to Missy Elliott to get a verse. And I feel like Missy told her that she recorded the verse. But I don't know what was going on with the clearance. I was very young at the time, and never big. Like she said, me did homeless, me catch her yard and she taught the things them and yes. Me take me little time, I do me thing. Me no know why she never get the song from Missy Elliott. I did the song Fun without Missy Elliott on it. And because my friend know Mona, them send the song to Missy. When Missy Elliott heard the song, she jumped on the verse. She put a verse on the song. And she put a verse on the song. I've never met Missy. I don't know. I don't know. She does like, cause she loves dancehall. She has always been supporting dancehall. She sent back the song. She sent back the song to me. So apparently she couldn't get the song from Missy or whoever she did not get. So when Missy sent me my song, she started say, I me thief the song. But if you listen good, you're going to hear how Missy call my name in the song. So it's absolutely no way I could have thief a song from Missy Elliott. She called my name. This was a lyric she spit specifically for me. So if you go back and listen to it, it name Fun, you hear Missy Elliott. No listen out here for true. The woman hate me from Yasso. You hear the woman say? They all come around when Spice came out. Long story short, me have to go back for your next video again. Because me keep on a seminar still long, we don't know. After Missy did the song with me, she invited me to her birthday party. Spice, Trina, Missy, Elliot, birthday. YouTube, me dep on it. Dep on YouTube. You go search it for yourself. See video, yeah. After she do the video with me, Missy Elliott invited me to her birthday party. Big up Stacey Chung. So I come like you make them hate me. So I went to Missy Elliott birthday party. King mix up. Make sure so when you post my video, you talk it through them when me talk. You know, say somebody just tag say King mix up over here. Nobody gonna mix up, not the King mix up. Make sure King mix up, you talk it how it go. No put in nothing in it. No adding no sugar, no adding no salt. Anyway, long story short, I went to Missy party. And you know me, I don't go Jamaican in the party. Trina was on the mic, and them a play Missy Elliott's song. Hello. And a lot of people came up on the rhythm and was freestyling because it's Missy birthday, Missy at the party, Timbaland there. You know it's a vibe. Trina go call up me now up on the rhythm. And me go up and this is how it went. Listen. So if you couldn't hear properly in the lyrics when I was freestyling, I came on stage. Remember, it's a freestyle on the spot at the moment, nothing planned. I said, Spicer, oigo, Spicer put it down. No, I mean, not come around. Me have to listen it back again, because this is a long time. Because remember me say me are the baddest girl out of Jamaica anybody ever see around, and that makes you vex. So, listen. I want to hear the problem. This was 8 years ago. You don't know when me gonna know fuck myself. Out of Jamaica. So me go, Spicer put it down. Me are the baddest girl. Out of Jamaica, anybody ever see around. So listen to me now. Me know me fuck around. Me know if you wanna bounce me pussy on the fucking ground. Hello. Me a freestyle, not the way me write. It seems to me at the time when I said that she was offended. Now split justice, you know. Me no want nobody pick up for me. She was my friend at the time. Like I said, she was my friend of 10 years. I gave her my all. Things she never spoke about. I never hear she talk any good about me. Everything she talk about me always negative and always bad. But it's okay. And we now go down into the history of that friendship. Because me hear when friends split apart and you do this and me do that. I've done a lot. Because when John used to fuck pan you and have 7 baby mother and you stress out and mad, it was my problem. Everything you went through in your relationship was all me, all my problem. It was on my shoulder. But like I said, I want to keep focus on what we're really talking about. I go up on stage, me do freestyle at Missy Elliott party, and true me go say, me are the baddest girl ever come around. No. It was a problem for her because she probably heard it after. Spice there, Missy party, Spice freestyle and said this. Come to me as your friend and say, Gracie, you know, you go on Missy party and me I watch the video and you say you're the baddest girl out of Jamaica and me feel away. We're friends. Say it to me. It's okay. Freestyle is not something planned. Freestyle is not something that people are going crazy over nowadays, where people write stuff and they study it and then come flow it on Instagram and y'all go crazy. That's not the freestyle I know, or that's not how I grow. So it's okay. You could have come to me as a friend and say, you know, me did feel a little way. Because if you talk truth, you know, remember, me not perfect, you know, remember, me not God, you know. Remember, somewhere along the line, maybe I was wrong, or maybe I did something I don't know. But at that time, when I went to that party and said that, that's where our friendship came apart. Because in a fear, she feels me did go boss or me did go be the biggest thing, or she just feel away. It's okay to say you feel away. You feel away. But I swear to you, and I swear on everything I have, I never plan. I'm just a freestyle. Me go represent Jamaica, and me just a freestyle. When the woman see it, hey, yeah, mighty God of Daniel, Jesus, come here. How long me depend this alive? You come if you come off long time. When the woman see me go, me see Elliot party and me go freestyle and say, me a the baddest girl ever come around. She stopped talking to me. She stopped talking to me. She stopped talking to me. Hello! Yo, we don't like talk to you, because you take everything for joke. The woman stop talk to me. The woman stop vex. The woman dry up. The woman swear say me da go bust. The woman thinks say me da go run away. The woman swear say me da go be the biggest thing. The woman dry up in her heart. The woman feel a way. The woman come like she da go dead. And I never know say that trouble the woman's soul. I never know. I never have no. Bestie, I tell you the truth. I never know say the woman have me up. Me go tell you how me find out say the woman have me up. Me then I'm at house one night. And me I watch TV. And on stage, come on. And on stage, I let me tell pani woman. I never on stage. Me try remember if I never on stage. I never on stage. A TVJ, the other interview. It was ER. I never on stage. A entertainment report. Come on. See the people them know, man. See the blood clad people them remember, man. Look at God. What Jesus over there, so? ER. Me never remember. Me no know nothing now. ER me I watch. With Anthony Miller. And me hear Anthony Miller say, remember say no? There is a recorded thing in the Star where Lady Saw say, I am the next queen of the dance hall. Because no found to talk about say, a Spice crown herself. But you don't know why problem. She was happy for me to be the queen of dancehall. She was happy for me to be the next queen of the dancehall after her. But she never want me get too big. She never knows me that go get so big. She think me that go stay small for the rest of my life and catch up her yard. And that's the problem. You ever hear them say, your friend wants to see you do good but never better than them? You ever hear that saying there? I say it go. So all along, the lady I say me bad. You can't go on YouTube go look on show. Me and her work a show. If me ever go the show go work better than her, dog, me miss up at the next morning. Me have to perform light. Me have to perform very light. You think me coming, she call me up and go on bad? Must be crazy. Eh? You must be crazy. Me have to perform very light. Me can't go too hard because if me ever go too hard and go on like me go harder than her. And she wake up the next morning and people go say, a Spice take you show me dead. She vex. Macadamia man, why you there? Remember me not too like you, you know. But everything Macadamia man say upon her life, I true the girl attack. Me can't tell us I true the girl attack. Me never hear me say Maca chat some fuckery in a dance hall. I don't know where the girl sleep. Me don't know if Jesus wake up the girl and say, come and sprinkle something upon her and say, come talk. I never see Macadamia man talk so. From the day I know that girl and talk so much truth, from she born out her mother's womb. Everything when Macadamia man talk, 99% time, because she claims say, we will be RRM. Me don't know about that. Everybody a wobia, everybody a wobia. She you don't love wobia, you don't love talk about wobia, everybody a wobia, this and wobia that. I never hear Maca talk so much truth. See, she should go and people are come her here. And she talk about, and they're telling lies on me, and I don't know what to move your dirty blood clot. I told the girl talk. Where from there? Move and go from there. Your bad mind. Your heart black. You're a Jezebel. You don't like to see nobody prosper. Like me say, me and your friend for 10 years and all along you're there. Yeah, man. She's going to be the next queen of the dance hall. But when me take it back now, when you see me around with you, you have a problem. You can't stay comfortably in your house. I mean, you have a problem with not another soul. You don't have a problem with nobody else. And me you eat. And me you act for. And me she eat long time. $19.99. Let me go down in night. Because remember, me can't stay here too long. You know so long when I have me pan your talk. But like I said, them has things when me never talk before, but now me talk on the know. Clear the air and get it over with. So when you see them come with a vengeance for me. And if you don't ever hear me answer or reply, do not feel away. Because I'm ready for them. I'm tired of them. Them fight me long years ago. When she left out a dance hall, before the woman left peaceful, with a pure heart and a clean mind, after earning and getting so much out of the business, this is somebody else I come eat to. You know what she say? She cuss me and trace me and say me a run her out a dance hall and make people turn against me. The amount of hate when me receive in a Jamaica because of that woman. Hey, mighty Jesus. If you ever see nobody I say, me not like Spice, ask them why. Just ask them why, because they probably don't have a reason. But because of the love that woman had, because of how we did love her, me now say uno, because I did love her too. Because of how we did love her, she used it and take up one big dirty pan of water and chew it over upon me so. And then she dig one big deep hole and push me in the hole and take her foot and cover up the dirt. But she never knew I was a seed and that I would grow. And now that I'm growing, and when she in a church and she see the tree I grow, she can't feel good to see the fruits I bear off of the tree. She want to chop it down from in a church. But I tell you from I start this life and I went in it this way. If she ever do a song and me feel like she a throw word off of me, I go lim up her dirty blood clot. Because bad mind and a something where you feel born with. And bad mind and a sitting where you feel have. Me never trouble her. So nobody no call me and tell me say me feel done. Bounty killer! Rodney Price. You make the woman hate me. I just the truth, if you talk it. 1999 when I met Bounty Killer. Bounty looked at me, I don't know what he saw. I don't know what he saw. I swear to God. If somebody tell me, say, yes, some would have reached me, wouldn't know. 1999, when I met Bounty Killer, he started to show me so much love. I have done millions of interviews. Big up my album 10. Make sure so to stream my album same way. 10 out 10 is nominated for a Grammy. I want to stream the album. Stream it, stream it, stream it. The first song on my album, I paid homage to people who helped me along the way, who supported me, who, stop and lend a helping arm. Ladies and name never in there. You know shame. Your name never in there. Me call Bounty Killer, me call Ninja Man, me call Baby Sham, me call Vibes Cartel, me call Shaggy. Who else me call? The one woman. Couldn't call your name. They couldn't call your name. Give me a S, S, S. Give me a P, P, P. Give me a I. Give me a C to the E. Hey! I'm your name, Grace Hamilton. A little poor girl from Old Britain used to walk big ride and know me by van from $0 to woke up a million. Same Catherine High School, me get me education. Nah lie, me got through enough sufferation. House bun down flat, I was a homeless woman. Granddad say, Gracie, come live at England. Bun to give me the first mic, now me and mash up sting at 16 power with Ninja Man. Gone punk, and then me meet Baby Shammy Man, Dave Kelly. Make me get me first 6 song. Member me is a girl, no fight over man. After that, enough things me can't ever mention. Me father Polyphene, he must be inspiration. He used to make me DJ like Nuts the Veteran. Give me a S, S, S. Give me a P, P, P. Give me a I. Give me a C to the E. Wait, let me talk about ramping shop. The collab we put me on the world map. Cartel used to carry me in a taxi on him lap. That's why me a say Gaza until my birth stop. The album I do from 2009, so VP can't vex if me talk me mine. We couldn't call your name in it. Because you give me the first 8, and you introduce the first 8 to me in a dance hall, and you fight me. 1999, when me meet Bounty Killer. Bounty Killer was the one who handed me the first microphone. And when me DJ on the spot, if Bounty Killer remember good, I clash me and them up there clash. Power Man was on the stage. Bounty was on the stage. Them time they are Bounty Killer. And when Bounty said, hey, wow, clear the way. And people are run up and down. You think me as a little girl, me am 14 years old and nervous. And me stand up and DJ. And the man look at me, me don't know what the man say. The man say, you are going to come take over from Lady Sir, but me I going to tell you how it go, why he make she hate me. Bounty Killer invite me to come and it's the party. He might not remember, Because remember, it is important for me to remember because it was happening in my life. So if him forget, me nah forget. Because these were highlights of my career. These are highlights of my career when me no forget. Bounty Killer invite me at It's the I don't follow the arrow. At It's the party. It's the party. And when Bounty invite me to come and It's the party, me don't have clothes or shoes. At first we thought them something. The man tell me what time to come. Because remember me is a young artist. He meet me over Britain and me and him clash pan stage with Power Man and whole heap of we and the man rate me. Him that fuck what I'm afraid to. The man say run the price of a good hood. The man say run the price, give her a pizza. A long time still not, so. The long time story. So Claudia, I don't feel no way. This is 1999. And the man said me for come and It's the party. The man give me a time for come and It's the party, But me reach late. Because me have to walk from Brighton. Me go out from Brighton to out a big road. And me walk from out a big road, go out a Nago Z. Mighty God of Daniel, God of Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego, God of... Hey, we walk. And when me reach a Easter party, me reach late. And when me reach a Easter party, and Bounty say, huh? Me tell us if you come. 1 o'clock, you know, Bounty have a different even. Almighty God, we have to find something. We have to find something. Oh my God, this man paved the way for so much of us. And when Bounty say, me tell us if you come. 1 o'clock, and you just a reach, and the young artists them perform already. And me stand up there, and me decide, say, me nah go home, and me nah move, cause me want work. Me reach late. And when me reach late now, ladies come. Ladies come. Remember me a little girl. And me excited. Me the backstage, you know, remember Bounty Killer invite me, you know, and a be a star, me I see. And me say, ladies, I come and me glad now. Them time the Bounty Killer used to call me on stage, Ninja Man used to call me on stage, because a little girl, me wissy, me bad. And me go so bam now and see the lady, and me I say, hey, ladies are there. And remember me tell her, say, Bounty Killer go make the mistake. And Bounty Killer go look on the woman and say, lady sir, the little girl yeah? And she named Spice. And me I tell her she bad, she wassy, she remind me of you. And she come take over from your bumbo clot. I will tell the man for so. The man never know where my door. The man never know where my door. So in a film head where them things say no, the woman that go see this young girl with talented will remind she of she. And she go take me up and pave me and curve me and say, come. Come little girl. She never do it. Corrupt. Black. Dirty. Jezebel. Demon. Bad mind man. The woman hate me. The woman hate me look like a butty. The woman hate me like Pizer. When I never big hair, when the man go to Lady Star, when she perform, because remember I know me come late, so my time gone now. When the man go to Lady Star and say, call up Spice, because remember Bounty just introduce her to me, you know. It look like she probably that hear about me long time, because when me, hey, me see some honor diss me, you know, and you see anyhow, when you make all Spice come back, when you get fuck. Me I want you know. Me I tell you from now. Any owner make all Spice where you used to hungry come back, uno get fuck. Uno better take comfortable Spice. Uno bet me I want you know. Uno better stay with comfortable Spice. Because if me go back to when me hungry, if me go back to back in the days, uno get fuck. So they look like say the woman hear about me long time. Because I used to bust up stage show. Everywhere me go, Ninja call me up. Bounty call me up. When Bounty still about me and the woman hate me, you know. The man go to her, the man, call up Spice because she on the stage, you know. Call up Spice. You know me used to get me like a call up. Me not no name for myself yet. Me young. Hear the woman pan the mic, a ball the whole night, you see. Hear the woman. Call up who? Spice? Make Spice go and stay and rise. You dirty blood clot, you think me forget? Remember, me no forget. Remember everything because it happened to me. Make Spice go and stay and rise. I want somebody find the video, you see? I want somebody go dig up 1999 video when you say it. You say it. And don't bother come talk about Richie Spice, brother. Because remember, I never chat to you after that. Me go into the world. It's just so long me dey your talk and I talk to no. Alright. The woman say make spice go and stay in a rice. I mean not telling no line bestie. I feel it to me heart. After me walk so far, hungry that kill me, my shoes bottom would have pop off. Me couldn't even find clothes to go up on the show. And me look forward. The woman say, next spice go and stay in a rice. And from that I don't chat to her. I don't chat to her because some stay. Me don't chat to you. If me not in you, me don't chat to you. Me don't chat to her. I'm vexed and I feel away. I start write bass song. You never know, because I go diss her up. Because them that time there, me I turn on every song and I clash everybody. Lexus have a song, girl you better can cook. Think you there you for your pretty look. And me just turn on the song and say, man you better can joke. Think you there you for your pretty look. You want to live in a me hole and know you can joke. Back shot, blood clot. Look at all spice did bad. I start write Bill Hughes for her. Because I say that woman is going to be a problem. And you know what the woman do? Two show me and her go and I walk past her and I go up on the stage and bust up. She never feel good. You know when me see her now? Me there on a one studio. Where the man named me, him soul rest in peace. Me never remember him name. Me there around one studio and me see her. Them the time they know, me I get look a call up round in a Kingston, I get look a call up in a Jamaica. Spice bad, Spice I go this and Spice I go that. So every time I go studio, you know the man them rate me cause me little and me young and me bad. You come talk about people have to strip clothes. Have to strip off clothes and no talent. Lady, come go up and go from there. Me go studio, I see the whole of a man, I see the whole of the man them and the man them boom off my fist and me I yell up everybody and me see her in the studio and me just look on her and cut me and walk past her. I don't call her. She shame like dog, she feel away, she come in the studio. Era, them time the Earlton was my manager. Is Earlton or FD? Because I used to have two old manager back in the day, you know. But Earlton, me no remember. Era come now, she feel away because she see me talk to the whole of the man artists, them and everybody a big me up, you know. Me never get to really talk to you. You have a problem. You have a problem. Me offend you or no? She said me never get to talk to you. Me don't remember what her exact words. Cause a long time. I tell you about this about 20 years ago. And me just say, yeah, me have a problem. Because when Bounty Killer did introduce it to me when we go it's the party, and Bounty tell us say you must call me up. Not Bounty, the man tell us say you must call up Spice when you talk about make Spice stay in a rice. Me never like it and me feel away and me hurt by it. So that's why I'm not talk to you. See when me tell her. Little girl. Hear her. Oh God. No. It's not so it go. Mighty Jesus, you see how people can get in a trouble. It's never you me a talking on. He's not Richie Spice. What Richie Spice brother name? Cause she and him used to fuck. So she say she think of him me a talk. What Richie Spice brother name? Mikey Spice. Hear her. Oh God, oh Lord. It's never so it go. Little girl is, you know, Mikey Spice. Make me think of Mikey Spice. Mikey Spice never up on the show. Move your dirty blood clot, your bad-minded witch, your wicked demonic serpent, you. Mikey Spice never up on the show. Oh Lord, I think it was Mikey Spice. Them I tell the man never say Mikey Spice. The man says Spice. I'm going from there. And that was the day where I made my mistake with that woman. Me make she apologize to me and then she friend me. And she friend me and she use me and she hold down me blood clot. You know a friend for 10 years. And I beg her every year to do a song with me, a dirty, demonic, Satan, bad mind woman, you. Go from there, boy, you're in a church, you can't preach to me. You cannot preach to me. But you're a minister. Your heart heavy. You better call the whole of the Christian people them and tell them to come pray for you. You better go down by your knee. You better go up and fasting. You better repent. Because you're not of God and you know you're not of God. You know, see, you're going to church and you still have problem. The pastor will run you out. You call me name for dirty woman that come talk about love. I don't want no love from you. If you was the only person left on the face of this earth and God come and God say, I want somebody if he say them love you, I feel you live, I rather die. Because the love what you're going to say you love me, I know it's not real and it's not natural and it's not pure. So go give them your love. I don't need it. Until I can look and see the pureness in you. Until I can look and see that Marian Hall is genuine. And she's really a woman of God. That is the day when I will say yes. But until then, you're a Jezebel. Your bad mind and the argument done. You so long me stay on the live you talk? Because next time I won't be talking. You wait for your song. Dance all nice again. You turn back now. You look like you're unhappy. You're not getting the good cocky in a church. You want to come back in a dance hall. You want skin out. You don't know if it's skin out. You see the whole that we are doing body and the people them having them veneer. And you know like your mash mouth and you want to fix it. You're miserably. You don't know if you come back. Dance hall love you. That can't change. Come back and just done. You know hear Maka say come back. Maka Diamond tell you the truth. Just come back and done. Stop beat round the bush and grow on the car and go like you try to save nobody. And you throw a word pan woman and a drop down woman in a dance hall. You're a wicked
Spice,
witch.
the battery are dead. Wee, my body.
We don't know, you know. A 1 hour me go now. I have nothing more to say. Me post it in a star 2015 say the woman bad mind and she come prove it to you for herself. So let us wait on the song. But any day on the ear say, me answer, don't vex. Cause I take it all of the years and I take it light. I will not take nothing light. And anybody else who are rumble and a frumble and a talk and down a blood clot vice if you're not bad, call the S half of my name. Because me tired of you. Me tired for you not trouble me. Me tired for you not pick for me. Me tired for everything of me. Me tired for every time you wake up no care how happy. You no come with no sadness or no sorrow. You no call me name and I mix me up in a bangarang. You no wicked. Eh? When me did a suffer, when me did hungry, nobody now call me name. And true little light a sprinkle over me head now. Spice, spice, spice. Uno pick pa me, uno live pa me. You used to live at your house, and now I have houses. It's okay. You give uno 1 hour, I know. Not staying here with you for the whole time. Wanna tell me nothing answer? I have to answer. Because I just know a years what a hatred she travel with for me. And if you come back, come answer and feel like you can call me name and tell no next life for me, I will be coming back with receipt because now go so. And a one time when you plant and dig hole for me and cover me up. Nah, sit down. I don't want nobody tell me. You're the bigger one, I'm not big. Don't tell them that already. When me get ramping shop with Vibes Cartel, she hunt down Cartel I want to sing with you. Go from there. Cartel do not sing with you. Bad mind, man. You too bad mind. You too bad mind. Oh, you talk about me carry bed. You carry bed that played out. You follow fashion. Where you get your name from, dirty woman? Your name Lady Saw. You get that name from Tenor Saw. You idolize the man. You follow fashion from the man. You do everything where the man do. Where you get your name from? Everybody have to follow somebody. You wasn't the first woman in a dance hall. But you have accomplished so much and God has blessed you with so much. You still have a problem all all when you're not in a dance hall, you're in your church, you still have a problem with somebody else. You wasn't the first. There was women before you. And God shine the light and sprinkle it over your head, so. And you don't want him sprinkled on nobody else. You have a problem. That's why I don't care when I try to put me up against this and put me up against that. Me just hold my faith and hold myself until me can't hold it no more, you know. Because I'm not here for that. Me don't come here for turn stone. One thing for sure and two things for certain. Me not come here come fight and kill up and waste my time. Because one day, we all going to the same place. Me come here come see dance hall and I will leave dance hall here. And who coming after me, nah, I'm going to own it forever. Them going come into dance hall and see dance hall and them going leave dance hall and somebody will come after them. Me tell you no. What the problem? What is the fuss for? What is the problem? Besties, me love you know. You know why me love you know? Because of years of fight me got you on a fight with me. That's why me love you know. You know, stick by me. Sometimes me cry pain for no say you became a fan of someone that is burdened by some things that me not even trouble people. It hurt me heart sometimes for soon I feel so aggravated and I feel cuss for me and you go through so much with me. That's why me love you know. I met a woman the other day, she come up to me and the woman almost in tears. She said, I can't believe how you're humble. She said everything when me pull through, me always remember, say if Spice can do it, the way them, me see them fight you. You inspire me so much. But I love you guys. Me appreciate you know. Me speak my truth. And I will never sit back and let anyone speak anything bad over me. Or leave you know, in the dark for you to believe anything else. So stop tell me say me if you stop answer and stop tell me say me no fi talk. I will always defend myself as I fight for this. And I've been fighting for years. I want to fight with me. So, who want the little limelight and the little hype? Them say our album a come. You know, support our album, please. What the album name? Because the picture look like she's still in a dance hall for the cover. What the album name? Mighty Jesus. Support our album. Pray for her. The prayer mothers, especially the one them in a power of faith. Me believe in them one that the woman them in a the white dress, the one them when no have sex. Me I beg you please pray for this lady. Pray for her. Don't know why the situation where them kick her out of the church. I don't know why she confused. I don't know what's going on in her headspace. I don't know what's happening. So don't just ridicule her. Pray for her because she need prayer. She need savior. And I pray, wanna pray for me too, that my heart won't be so consumed with so much bitterness.
When them
so
do
when you don't
wrong,
end this life,
you can't
say a
help
prayer.
but to be better.
32,000 people is a lot. To take 1 minute, not just take all the mix up and the this and the run with it. Say a prayer for her. Pray for me as well.
When them do you wrong,
pray for yourself
Spicy,
as well,
you
because you
can't help
never
but
know
to be bitter.
what your future may hold. But let us live in love and joy and unity and say a word of prayer for that lady, because you never know what the real root and truth of the matter is. And that's where I'm going to leave it. I love you know. When you don't see me again, I will not be talking about nobody. It's all about my song, a different category me I deal with. Make sure say, when I get ready for the video, And the different category. May I post up the something on my page right now?
Me never want you to answer Gracie, but me can't say
Make
me
sure
mad at
say,
you.
we don't focus on that.
Cause we see through the foolishness. Anybody will have sense.
When I forgot know the song for enter this, I will buy a plane ticket for fly out of fun. Anywhere on the day in the world, just to come meet me, just to come have a vibe with me. Whatever I want to do with me for the day.
Same clothes, same place. We got the same pretty face,
Same song ways,
baby, the same man. We got the same taste,
same long hair.
we got the same name.
Song! Body wake up, we got the same shoes.
Same food, fridge stack up, we eat the same grade. We got the same house,
The same landscape, everything is the same, but get it straight. We got the same thing, we are not the same thing. Girl, me they are first class, you they are the plain thing. Continue 18, we are not the same thing. We got the same, but we are not the same. I carry on, but me dey on another level, me no see them at all. None at all, me no see them at all. Cause me dey on another, me no see them at all. Them not connect like when me reject a call. Cause me dey on another level, me no see them at all. None at all, me no see them at all. Cause me dey on another level, me no see them at all. Me no ordinary, me in a different category. Gyal a fear watch me like a me a them inquiry. But with a lily, all of them don't send me. Me a secondary, catch up to me them temporary. Different category competition. I'm gonna post the rhythm and you have to know the song, and anybody who can deliver the song like a spice, y'all are gonna be flued out to come meet
Find me out first, find me
none
out.
other than Spice. We can vibe for the day. If you don't want to come out the show, want to pick the time, the place, the ticket will be sent to you. So yeah, that's how me I say. Same place,
we got the same pretty face,
same small ways, maybe the same.
we got the same.
Love me a day without